Tomato leaf curl disease is a common problem that can be fatal for the plant. So in this video, we will try to solve this whole issue from its root cause. It can be due to number of reasons, so let's talk about them and their easy solutions one by one. And do subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. The first and the most common cause of tomato leaf curl disease is the viral attack. Tomato leaf curl virus is a common virus that is primarily transmitted by the white flies, especially in the warm and humid conditions. But it can also get into the plant by the use of infected cutter and a contaminated soil mix. Some tomato varieties are more susceptible to the leaf curl virus while some are not. Once the plant is attacked by the leaf curl virus, the leaves turns yellow, plant shows a stunted growth and obviously the curling of leaves. If the attack is severe, the chance of cure is less, but reducing the whiteflies attack can reduce the problem very much. Simply separate the infected plant from other plants immediately, then use a pesticide spray at the evening time all over your plant. You can use Neem Oil spray. Video on making Neem Oil spray is linked in the description box and I button. If the plant seems to be recovering, then keep using Neem Oil spray, otherwise it's better to dispose the infected plant so it won't cause a problem for other tomato plants. Another cause of tomato leaf curl disease is the nutritional deficiency. Deficiency of nutrients in the soil affects the plant growth, and the plant tries to show this in the form of several changes like leaf curl and yellow leaves, etc. Tomato plant is a heavy feeder that requires a consistent supply of nutrients on every stage of growth. So here, if your tomato plant is not getting enough nutrition, problems like curling leaves, black spot, yellow leaves will appear. So here it's better to solve this whole issue right from the seedling stage. You can use this homemade fertilizer made specially for such plants. Video on this fertilizer is added in the description box and I button. Must check it out and apply it on your tomatoes every 10 to 14 days and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Another common cause of tomato leaf curl disease is the pest infection. Just like whiteflies, aphids, spider mites and thrips etc. can also cause this problem. They can transmit the virus as well as they can weaken the plant, making it more susceptible to the viral attack. Overall, these pests can cause the leaf curl problem. So to solve this, simply use Neem Oil spray. It's also linked in the description box to buy. Just keep an eye on these pests and treat as soon as they appear. For the ultimate prevention of all type of pests over your whole space, I have made an ebook on a proven and organic pest control technique. It's linked in the description box if you like to buy. Another cause of tomato leaf curl disease is the soil compactness and waterlogging issues. Tomato leaf curl problem is a physiological change in the plant body that can be triggered by the compact and waterlogged soil mix. This thing puts stress on the plant, which results the curling of leaves, but it's curable. You can simply avoid adding too much moisture in the soil or use a well-draining and loose soil mix while they transplant. This will help the tomato plant all over its life cycle. You can also use this mixture made at home. Video on this recipe is added in the description box and I button. Must check it out and do subscribe to our channel. Another common cause of tomato leaf curl disease is the environmental stress, like too much heat, light intensity, soil's pH or salinity, etc. These things can affect plant growth and cause leaf curl disease, but they are temporary changes. As soon as you make the proper adjustments, the new growth will be normal and lush green. Simply inspect what could be the potential reason. In case of pH, use a pH meter to analyze and make proper adjustments. Hopefully your plant will recover within days. Another potential cause of tomato leaf curl disease is the genetic disorders. The seeds harvested from an infected plant have this virus inside of them and will appear as soon as the plant gets bigger. So here you need to buy certified and good quality seeds. Such genetically infected plants never grow well and produce healthy fruit. So some of the good quality tomato seeds are also linked in the description box if you like to buy. Another potential cause of tomato leaf curl problem is the effect of chemical products. Too much use of chemical pesticides or fertilizers can also cause curling tomato leaves. Overuse of even the organic products can cause this, like use of raw neem oil on the leaves. Overuse of high potency fertilizers like fish meal, bone meal or cow dung etc. can also put stress on the tomato plant. And then leaf curl problem, yellowing and drying leaves etc. So you should use such things with a proper method. You can also browse our channel to know about that. Moderation is the key. You have to make a proper balance while growing a plant. Hope you get that. To know about the yellowing of tomato leaves, check out this detailed article and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.